Most of the question I get from my Instagram followers or comment section is how do I tend to get my hair, mostly curly hair like this. So on this video I'm going to be showing you how I draw my hair from beginning to end. First I'm going to be showing my materials. One is my HB pencil, two is my charcoal pencil, soft and medium, then my two small brushes, my mono eraser, two highlight pen, my charcoal white pencil, and my stump. So these are the list of my material that I'll be using. So I tend to use my charcoal pencil to create strokes. That is strokes that mimic the curve of the hair. Most artists might start with the lighter area though, but after that I move on to my graphite pencil. So I tend to add this layer first because you have to get the hair strokes first. Because once you get the hair stroke, you have gotten like half of the drawing. That is half of the hair drawing. After which I move over to my medium charcoal pencil. So I'm going to keep getting this through pencil. I've gotten almost half of the hair. Next step, I'm going to be talking about creating highlights using the mono eraser. So this step, I'm going to be using the mono eraser to create highlights, that is little details of the hair strands. So these are not necessarily the main highlights in the artwork or in the reference though, but I tend to use mono eraser for my base highlights. So if you look closely though, you see that the hair is kind of so as you create the highlights, you notice that the eraser want you guys to like give me a follow or subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video so to find other artists who are finding it difficult